Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you revision in science for 7th standard. So, in the previous class itself, we have started and we have completed the choose, fill up and analogy. Okay. So, first I told you all 4 lessons here for you. In the previous class, I told 5th lesson animals in daily life, 4th chemistry in daily life, 3rd polymer chemistry, and 1st lesson light for you. Okay. And now, the 3 Roman numbers are completed. And our next Roman number is true or false. That is true or false. We are going to continue. That is lesson 5, true or false. Okay, from the lesson 5 we are going to see now. First one, animals are the greatest gift of nature. That is true. And second, horse hair is used as bristles in small painting brushes. Answer is true. And third one, wool is a fiber derived from the silkworm. That is, answer is false. So how will you write? That is silk. Okay, silk is the correct. Silk is the fiber derived from the silkworm. Okay. From the silkworm. Third. So 3 true or false we have from this lesson 5. This is lesson 5. Next we will go to the lesson 4. Okay children, lesson 5 only 3. Then next we will go to the lesson 4. True or false? Antibiotics does work. Sorry children. It is first one, all fuels form flame. That is from lesson 4, true or false. Third one, okay. First 2 you don't have. Third one, all fuels form flame. That is false. That is you will write all fuels do not, okay, do not have to come there. Do not form flame. Okay. Thus, then fourth one, oxygen is necessary for combustion. That is true. Then fifth one, burning wood and coal causes pollution of air. It's also true. This is from the lesson 4. Okay. Then lesson 3. Lesson 3. True or false? First one, a lot of plastic pollutes our environment. That is from the lesson 3. First one, true. First one, true. Second one, refuse is the best way to manage plastic. Again, true. Third, it is good to wear clothes made of synthetic fibers while cooking. It is false. Instead of that, what you will write? It is good to wear clothes. It is good to wear clothes. It is good to wear clothes made of, instead of synthetic, you will write natural. Okay, natural fibers while cooking. Okay children, did you understand this? Then fourth one, degradable plastics break down into tiny pieces called microplastics. It is true. Then same way, fifth one, cotton is a natural polymer. True. So both 4 and 5 true. Okay children. So next we will go to the lesson 5. Lesson 1. Sorry. Okay. Lesson 1. So we have completed this children. So I'll drop the board and write lesson 1. True or false? You have so many there. So have you all taken down this in your book? Okay. From lesson 1, true or false. Okay. Now, first one, The image of right hand in the plane mirror looks like a left hand. True. Okay. The next, rainbow is formed by dispersion of which light by water drops. Second also true. Third one you don't have, children. Okay. Third one you don't have. So that is fourth one. Fourth one, we see planets because they reflect light from the sun. True. Fifth, we see a book because it reflects the light that falls on the surface. True. Sixth, the image formed in a plane mirror is always inverted. True. So 4, 5, 6 is true. 4, 5, 6. So all these three are true. Okay. Let's go to the seventh one. The image formed in a pinhole camera is always the same size of the object. That is false. So how will you write? The image formed in a pinhole camera is may not be. You have to underline, okay? May not be the same size of the object. The same size of the object. Okay? Then eighth one. The image formed in a plane mirror is upside down. So again, false. Eighth one is false. How will you write? The image formed on a plane mirror is erect. Okay, instead of upside down you will write erect. Okay, children, you understand this? Then ninth, a plane mirror is opaque. That is true. Then 10th one, again, a shadow is formed on the same side of the object as the source of light. It is false. So what will we write now? What is the correct statement? A shadow is formed on the what is the question? The same side they have given. Instead of, you'll write opposite. Instead of same side, you'll write opposite. Okay? On the opposite of the object as the source of light. Okay, children? Do you understand this? Now, 11th one. We are able to see things around us with the help of regular reflection. That is true. 12. After passing through a prism, white light splits into a band of 7 colors. True. So 11th is also true. 12th is also true. Okay, children. So we are finishing this true or false now. Okay. From all the 4 lessons, we have completed the true or false. Next, we are going to go to the match the following. So these 4 lessons you have for your annual exam, children. Okay, be thorough with this. Object is whatever I am giving, writing on the board. You have to be thorough with that. Okay, children. Now next is the match the following. First, that is lesson 5, page number 91. So match. Okay. So from the lesson 5, first one, cocoons. Answer is silkworm. Cocoons, silkworm. Then second, peace silk. Andhra Pradesh. Peace silk. Andhra Pradesh. Then third one, broilers. Broilers is poultry. Broilers, poultry. Fourth one, sweet liquid. Honey. Sweet liquid, honey. Next is goat meat. Okay, goat meat. So we have finished this from the lesson 5 fill-ups over. Then next lesson 4. Lesson 4, match the following. So it is in page number 79. Lesson 4, page number 79. So first one, antipyretic, reduce body temperature. Antipyretic, reduce body temperature. Are you all writing, taking down, children? Those who have the book, you can see, okay? Then analgesic, reduce pain. Analgesic, reduce pain. So questions I am telling you orally, so listen carefully, okay? Then third, antacid, ORS solution. ORS solution. Phosphorus, that is spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous combustion. Then fifth one, carbon dioxide leads to respiratory problem. Leads to respiratory problem. So this revision you have to write in your book, children, okay? So you have to put revision, annual revision, and break down in your classwork so that it will be easy for you to learn for your exam, okay, children? Then next is lesson 3, mark the following, page number 62. Lesson 3, page number 62. First one, nylon. Nylon is fiber. Nylon, fiber. Then PVC. PVC, thermoplastic. PVC, thermoplastic. Then third one, bakelite. Bakelite, thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic. Okay. The next fourth one, Teflon. Teflon no need, children. Next rayon. Fourth one, rayon, no need. Fifth, rayon, wood pulp. Rayon, wood pulp. Okay. So this over. So this lesson is over. Next we are going to lesson 1. So lesson 1. Page number 20. Okay. Now, first one, rectilinear propagation. What is the answer? Pinhole camera. Pinhole camera. Then second one, plane mirror. Plane mirror, periscope. Plane mirror, periscope. Firefly. Firefly, luminous object. Luminous object. Then fourth one, the moon. So the moon, what is the answer? Non-luminous object. Non-luminous object. Okay. Then fifth one, wide light source. That is penumbra. Wide light source, penumbra. Then sixth, regular reflection. That is glossy surface, no need. Then seventh, the sun. The sun. Sixth, no need, children. Sun, the primary source of light. Primary source of light. Okay, children. Next we will go to the eighth one, band of 7 colors. That is spectrum of light. Spectrum of light. Okay. Okay, children. We got it. So this is a match the following. Okay, from all the 4 lessons we have completed. So we have completed all the objectives now for your annual revision. That is fill up true or false, math, choose, analogy. All this we have completed, okay? So in the next class, we'll start with the question answers and detail. So all these question answers, everything you should write in your classwork. Children, take a new page, put annual revision and start writing all this. So questions I'm telling you orally. So you have to write along with the questions. Those who have the book, you can check your book and you'll start writing in your classwork. Okay, so some of 2 or 3 in each Roman numbers I have omitted. So தேவையில்லைன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன், அதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் எழுதாதீங்க. நான் என்ன எழுதியிருக்கேன் போர்டில், only that you have to write in your classwork, and this is your annual revision. From this only you'll get for your annual exam. So be thorough with this, okay? Learn for the exam properly, children, okay? Thank you.